29 talks about prior publication, and they have given some clause which is if anything is published before first day of January 1912, from 1st January 1912, if anything is published before that, it will not be considered for anticipation. 29 also talks about, suppose you and your friend are there and you have made some device, you have made an invention, you have made some device, and your friend comes to know about this device and he published the paper without asking you. He is publishing some paper or journal article he is publishing, so without your consent if it is, and you come to know later on that he is published the paper in the journal, and you have to file the patent as soon as you come to know about this publication. So this is all about section 29. So whatever without your consent, if anybody has published your invention or your device or whatever the creativity you have made, then you have to file your patent as soon as you come to know about that publication. So these are the section 29. This is all about. Then section 30 is about previous communication to government. So when you will communicate to government, suppose your invention is about some radiation and all, radiations or some radio frequency is there, which is to be notified to the government. So you will tell the government, I want to use a technology of drone and all. So I want to use this technology. As such, it is not allowed. But when you communicate to government and government will tell, I will investigate and I will allow you. So all that matter what is happened will be not an anticipation. This point was not anticipation, and again this technology, whatever the technology communicated, drone technology or any of that related to that, suppose you want some funding also, you communicated to government about your invention and all, and the government told I will try and I will see, then all that trial and all, whatever the government will investigate in that, so that will also be considered not anticipation. Then section 31 is also there, which is talking about public display is there. Public display will be like, suppose you go in the exhibition, suppose you are in some conference, government conference is there, in suppose IISc Bangalore or CDAC conferences are there, or in CDAC some conference are there. You go there and you have read the paper, whatever you have done, you have read your invention there. You are reading in front of 100 students or 100 scientists and everyone, professors, and so learning community is there. You are reading your paper there, and that will be called exhibition. Suppose you have displayed your invention there also. So whenever you will do, if you are filing a patent within 12 month, if you are filing a patent within 12 month, so within 12 month if you are filing a patent, it will be not an anticipation. See, the difference is here, you have to file, the timeline is as early or immediately as possible you come to know about the publication. Here the timeline was like that. Here the timeline is within 12 months. Once you display in the exhibition, conference and all, that time we have to file the patent within 12 months. Then section 32, if suppose anybody during the exhibition, suppose you have seen in IITs, exhibitions are there where they are displaying the invention. Suppose the technology is there, separator, impurity separator or particle separator is there, powder separator and all. Suppose you put the machine on by yourself, then you are using that invention. You put the machine on by yourself to see the separator how it works. So whatever the attrition and all, you can see that. But you are in exhibition only. You are seeing the machine in the exhibition in the IITs, and you have put the machine on, and you are using that for seeing the how it is working. That time also it will be not called anticipation. If there is any commercial sale as such or commercial sale or commercial use is there, then it is anticipation. But here this is used only for in the exhibition this person has on the button. So this use will be allowed and it will be called not anticipation. But as such, if he is selling a product or he is using a product in commercial scale, it will be anticipation. Then we will look for section 32. Section 32 is about public working. Public working, it will include, like suppose you have invented a lift. We have seen them in malls, the lifts are there. To invent that or to try for that, to how it is working and how many person will, the capacity will be there and all. So whatever the working of that lift is there, whatever the lift working is there, you cannot try without displaying in the public or without showing in the public, we can say. So the working in the public need to be there to assess the invention. So that will make it fall under section 32. But here also one timeline is there, that if you have done a public working of your invention, the prototype whatever you have made, you have reasonably tried working in the mall. So once your reasonable trial, the date is there. Suppose you tried on 1st January 2010. You have tried on 1st Jan 2010. You have tried. Then within 31st December 2010, you have to file a patent. Otherwise, it will be anticipated.